If your kidneys feel tired in the morning, this is often where the real problem begins, not with protein or salt, but with silent inflammation that builds day after day. I once spoke with a patient who did everything right on paper, yet his kidney markers kept creeping up. What he didn't realize was that chronic low-grade inflammation was slowly damaging the delicate filters inside his kidneys long before symptoms appeared. Nettle Leaf Tea targets that exact issue. It's naturally rich in anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants that help calm the immune response, reducing the kind of long-term inflammation linked to kidney decline. Research shows nettle leaf supports urinary flow and helps the body flush metabolic waste more efficiently, easing the workload on the kidneys instead of forcing them to strain harder. It also provides gentle minerals like magnesium and silica that kidneys rely on to maintain proper filtration balance. Studies have shown parsley contains flavonoids and vitamin C, with antioxidant effects helping protect kidney cells while supporting urine production. This combination reduces morning water retention, relieves pressure in the urinary system, and helps the kidneys and liver work together to clear waste more efficiently. Taken in the morning, parsley tea can ease that heavy, swollen feeling and reduce the silent buildup of fluid that strains kidney filtration day after day. It doesn't force your kidneys, it assists them, which is exactly what vulnerable kidneys need. But flushing fluid is still not enough, because if blood flow to the kidneys is weak, even clean pathways can't function properly. And that's where the next tea becomes critical. After reducing inflammation and releasing excess fluid, there's one more silent limiter that can still hold your kidneys back: poor circulation. I've seen patients do everything right with diet and hydration, yet their kidney numbers barely move. But even with good circulation, toxins can still linger if the body doesn't actively escort them out. And that's where the next tea plays a powerful role. Once circulation improves, the next challenge is clearance, because better blood flow means nothing if waste products still linger inside the body. I've met patients whose swelling went down and energy improved, yet their labs stayed stubbornly high. The missing link was detox support, especially the kidney-liver connection that many people completely overlook. Dandelion Root Tea works at this intersection. It acts as a mild, balanced diuretic, helping the body release excess sodium and water without stripping essential electrolytes. At the same time, studies show dandelion root is rich in polyphenols that combat oxidative stress, protecting kidney cells from free radical damage. What makes it unique is its dual action, supporting both kidney filtration and liver detox pathways, allowing toxins to be processed and eliminated more efficiently instead of being recycled back into the bloodstream. Drinking dandelion root tea in the morning can reduce puffiness, ease hidden fluid retention, and lighten the detox burden your kidneys carry every single day. It's not about forcing detox, it's about creating an exit strategy your body can actually sustain. But even when toxins are moving out, one dangerous factor can still sabotage kidney health if left unchecked. And that's exactly what the next tea helps control. After toxins start moving out, there's still one silent pressure that can quietly undo all that progress: high blood pressure. I've seen patients improve their diet, reduce swelling, even feel lighter in the morning, yet their kidney function continued to slip. The reason was simple but dangerous: elevated blood pressure was constantly damaging the tiny blood vessels inside their kidneys. Hibiscus tea directly targets this risk. Clinical studies have shown hibiscus can significantly lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure, thanks to its high concentration of anthocyanins and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and relax blood vessels. By improving vascular flexibility, hibiscus reduces the force pushing against delicate kidney filters, easing the workload on the kidneys, while also supporting heart and liver health. When enjoyed regularly, hibiscus tea helps stabilize blood pressure, naturally reducing the strain of blood filtration and slowing long-term kidney damage. It's not just about hydration, it's about pressure control, one of the most critical factors in kidney survival. But even with blood pressure under control, kidneys can still suffer if oxidative damage continues at the cellular level. And that's where the final tea becomes essential. Even when blood pressure is stable and toxins are moving out, there is still one last enemy that quietly accelerates kidney decline: oxidative damage at the cellular level. I've seen people with acceptable numbers still progress faster than expected simply because their kidney cells were under constant attack from free radicals day after day without enough protection. Green tea steps in as that cellular shield. It's rich in catechins, especially E-GCG compounds, widely studied for their ability to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in kidney tissue. Research suggests these antioxidants help protect the delicate filtering units of the kidneys, support better filtration efficiency, and may slow structural damage over time. Unlike coffee or energy drinks, green tea provides a gentle lift in alertness without overstimulating the kidneys or dehydrating the body. Drinking green tea in moderation, 1 to 2 cups a day, offers steady antioxidant support, helping your kidneys defend themselves while maintaining balanced energy and focus. It's not about pushing your system harder, but about protecting it smarter. But knowing which tea to drink is only part of the equation, because when and how you drink them can completely change the results. And that's what we need to talk about next. Before we close, I want you to remember this: protecting your kidneys is not about doing everything perfectly. It's about making small, consistent choices that add up over time. If you're living with kidney concerns or simply trying to protect your health before problems appear, you're not weak for feeling worried. You're responsible for taking action.